Okay, Dr. Hubner, I'm here with Matt, and Matt is here 9 months after his surgery at Natural Transplants with me. And as you can see from his before pictures, what a difference in terms of his look, his profile, how he feels. Everything is just improved. Matt, tell us about your experience. You know, first couple months, I guess, is scary because nothing's coming in, but tell us how you felt as things starting to come in, and what are people saying?
For the first couple months, it happened, but watching your video, like, expect that. So, and probably around 7th month, it just took off, and growing like crazy. Like family can't, and I can't believe such a huge difference.
Awesome, man. And what a change. I mean, you can see from the pictures what a difference. And he's only 9 months, so he has 3 more months of growth to come. So very exciting. If you would, Matt, maybe just put your chin down to your chest so we can see the top. Excellent. Just hold it there for a second. You can even go further down if you want. Perfect. Yep. Okay. Wow. And then let's see it from the left side or right, either way. Yep. Perfect. Hold it right there. And then the other side, same thing. Other side, just hold it there for a couple seconds. Wow. What a difference, man. Any issues with your scar in the back?
Oh, no. The 2 clipper back, you can't.
So a two guard at the barber, no problem. Okay. Awesome. Awesome, man. Well, thank you so much for sharing your results, and I can't wait to see your final result at 1 year. And I'm glad this made quite a difference for you. Thanks for showing your hair off. Appreciate it.
I wish I would have done it sooner.
That's what everyone says. All right, man. Thank you so much, Matt. All right. Call us now, 844-327-4247, and ask about our Hue and Hue Plus procedures, which move more hair than ever before. Hope to hear from you soon.